Hey, Dave here with the Nuna Pipa travel bag. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that I haven't seen online on how to store this. We're getting ready to take a trip and we love our setup that we have and hauling all the kids to the airport. So I didn't see any videos, so I'm going to show one real quick. I actually read the directions. So you take this out. This is which version is this?
That's the Lite RX,
This is the Lite RX, so it's a very lightweight. You want to put the handle all the way back to ox, and then another tip that is in the instructions is to pop this off here on both sides, the snaps. That way this pushes all the way down behind here. That way it doesn't mess this part up. And then stick it in the bag. Now the base, you can also strap in here. All the instructions are kind of inside the bag. It tells you where to put the feet, and then the also kind of shows you just pictures like IKEA instructions. But I'm not putting the base in here, but you can put it in here. We're traveling like this because we can hook the belt into the car seat. You push it in here like this, pull it over, and then the straps come over the top. And I've already installed this once, but that's why it's so tight. But if you had the base in there, this is why this is adjustable. This flips over. And then this has a carry strap that hooks together right here if you wanted to carry it. Right here, like this way, but I plan on using it as a backpack. So what I did is I marked on here where my settings are going to be with the magic marker so I can put it where I want. And then this slings up on your back. I'm 5'8", 155 pounds soaking wet, but this is very lightweight, fits right on your back. And what I'm going to do is, I'll put the link in the description below, but I will show you a tip on how to attach this.
the canopy.
The canopy on the Veer wagon. So you can store it in here, and also how to keep this from coming off, because we didn't know about, this used to pop off, and I'll show you a tip in the next video. So